Hey guys, welcome back. It is Bushcraft Family, and I thought I would bring you a video about the product here. This is just in time for garden season. These are from Survival Garden Seeds. This pack right here, they have multiple packs that are all sealed up. These containers here are awesome because they're reusable. Once you open them up, you can reseal them up here. Let's see if I can put that down there. You can reseal them, and you can save these, like just buy these and put them up for survival. 3 to 8 years, depending how you store them. Probably longer if possible. But there are 25 packs of seeds in this. Or no, there are 30 packs of seeds in this. I thought it was only 25. Wow. They upped it to 30. Which is great. You're going under this is like 25 bucks for 30 packs of seeds. And if you use my code, it's even cheaper than that. So let's go ahead and get into this. It says the collection of 30 varieties to grow a bountiful harvest this season, or if needed in a survival situation. If stored properly, seeds will remain viable for 3 to 8 years. This reusable package can be saved to store seeds from future harvest. Just follow the seed saving directions on the packets. And that's the thing that's awesome about this. Let's go ahead and open this up. There we go. Really sealed up. Now we're going to take all these packs of seeds out and see what we have here. And these are all very, very good seeds. Very, very good seeds. And like the package says, it will have directions on the backs of these seeds to tell you how to plant them, how to harvest, and how to harvest the seeds, which is very important. Let's go ahead and start with this one since it's in my hand. Let me take the rubber band off of here. You got many varieties, and when I say seeds, I don't mean like 3 or 4 or 5 seeds. This is a pack of seeds. Okay, let's set those to the side here. We have parsley. We have California Wonder peppers, and you notice these are red. A lot of people pick these green. They're actually ripe when they are red. These California Wonders. Jalapeno peppers. I grew these last year. If you remember seeing, my jalapenos were the size of my hand. Pumpkin, small sugar ones. These are not the ones you make jack-o'-lanterns. These are the ones you eat. Champion radishes. We've got some spinach here and some winter squash. This is butternut squash. Really good stuff. Right here, you would expect to pay $3 or $4, $5 a pack for these seeds, if not more, especially online. Let's get to our next one. And they have packs like this for medical herbs. You can get 30 different things of seeds. It's 25 or 30, I can't remember. But we got some rainbow Swiss chard. And this is some tomatoes. This is heirloom rainbow mix. And a lot of seeds in these. We got some Roma tomatoes. Some turnips. These are snowball tomato or turnips. Watermelon. These are crimson sweet. These are the round ones. And we have some wildflowers in this mix because wildflowers are very important for gardens. It draws in bees and the right types of insects. And we got a packet full of zucchini. These are black betties. Let's get on to our next one here. We have some arugula. Very tasty for salads and packed full of vitamins and stuff. We've got basil, large leaf basil. We've got beets. These are cylinder, something like that. Broccoli, and we got some cabbage. I've grown this cabbage not last year, but the year before, and it grew basketball-sized cabbages. Really good stuff. And then we have some carrots. These are emperor carrots, and we have some little finger carrots. And here's another herb, cilantro. Put those right here. This is our last batch. And you couldn't go wrong with cucumbers. And these are the pickling ones. Another herb, dill. Very good stuff, dill. We have some eggplant. This is Black Beauty. I grew these last year and the year before. Some of the best eggplant. And every seed that I planted, every one of them come up. We've got some kale. And this is a different type of kale. We have some lettuce, and this is Lola Rosa lettuce. Here's some Paris Island lettuce. This is some really, really good, tasty stuff. This is good to grow in these inside and stuff. And we have some melons. These are hearts of gold, and they are so yummy. And we have some okra. A lot of people don't even know what this stuff is, but it is so yummy. But there you have it, guys. Look at all the seeds you get with this. If you ever wanted to get just a pack of seeds that pretty much covered all kinds of stuff, this is the pack that you want. And right now, if you use my code in my description, you get 10% off of your order. Not just this item, 10% off your order. And they have so many other seeds other than this, but they package this stuff in these nice survival cases. As you can see, it is silver on the inside, which when shipped to you, it is safe from, the x-ray machines and stuff. So you don't have to worry about getting your seeds and they don't work anymore. You got a seal right there that covers everything, that's airtight. So if you guys want to check these people out, I'll have the link down in the description, the discount code. These guys have been a great sponsor to the channel, and hopefully you guys will love them too, because they have so many. This is my one-stop area where I go to get my herb seeds. I've got so many herbal seeds that I've got from them. Great company. They're an American company from here. They're in Idaho, I do believe, and family run. Great company. But anyways, guys, I'm going to go ahead and let you go. I just wanted to bring this up to you since I already got this and it came in the mail and everything, so I'd share it with you. Until next time, like always, God bless.